Feel Good Breakfast Show.
Welcome back. This is your Feel Good Breakfast Show, Espresso on SABC3. Now, every single time we say it, it's with a heart filled with pride that with the support of the South African public, the Vital Foundation is able to support organizations such as Cape Mental Health, who we paid a visit to. And how this is done is that for every Vital supplement that you buy, R1 is donated to the Vital Foundation. But let's give you a sneak peek into the work done by this organization.
Those of us who are blessed with healthy minds and bodies should protect and nurture those less fortunate. It is with this value in mind that Cape Mental Health operates to protect and invest in the best interests of those with intellectual disabilities and psychiatric illness, and raise awareness around mental health.
Cape Mental Health's slogan is all about ability. We focus on the abilities of people with intellectual disability as well as psychiatric disability. Mental health is a complete state of social, mental and physical well-being. For us to function and to be part of our communities and part of the workplace, we need to have good mental health as well as physical. And there can be no health without mental health. Vital Foundation has come alongside us to support us and assist us with 12 additional clinical assessments. It also provides and gives us the opportunity to give victims of sexual abuse access to justice. And in this case, these are victims with intellectual disability. The Vital Foundation funding will also assist us to provide counseling to the families and the victims who have been traumatized by the abuse.
People with intellectual disabilities are easy prey for abuse, and with the help of clinical psychologists, they are able to get the same justice as the general population.
I would assess a complainant or a victim who has been referred by the courts or the police, and within that I would do an assessment to look at the person's level of functioning, in other words, their IQ and how they function in society. I also looked at whether they can consent to sexual intercourse and whether they can testify in court. I would then write a report for the court and called in as an expert witness to read the report and answer questions in court.
Additionally, Cape Mental Health provides education to the families of people living with disabilities and services which benefit children and adults with mental disabilities.
The person who has mental health problems often does not want to go for help, and so we first make contact with family members. So the steps we will take would be to do an assessment of the person's mental state. We try to get as much collateral from family members, and then we assess what are the services needed. We offer a range of service ranging from special education centres for children with severe and profound intellectual disabilities to a training workshop program for adults with intellectual disability. Then we also offer psychosocial groups within communities. We also have a vocational rehabilitation program called Fountain House, where people are able to access services.
We are deeply grateful for this support and helping us to provide access to justice for these victims.
Thank you, South Africa, for helping the Vital Foundation to make a difference in the lives of others.
Volunteer this Mandela Day to support organizations fighting women and child abuse. Visit vitalfoundation.co.za to sign up. Vital. Healthy families, healthy homes.